Good morning. Good morning. Top of the morning, queen. Top of the morning, king. Yeah. Royce, that's funny. Good morning. Good morning. We are, I can't say we are on our way to the beach. We at the beach.
This parking lot. Clean all of this. Make sure there's no I used to work for the Parks Department, showing Sade what I used to do.
Look at the duck.
What beach is this, Ma?
Midland Beach.
Oh, we are at Midland Beach, Staten Island. Royce wanted to come to the beach.
I'm telling you right now, you're gonna see.
I am not
they
starting.
but they don't bother. Cause I had to get
Oh,
used to them
God.
working out here.
Royalty, I'm just telling you right now.
They're not on the beach, but they could be just you brave. They really don't bother you. That's the guy's honest truth.
Nobody got time for that. I don't like them neither.
I don't like them either.
They big.
Plus they ugly. And they have those big eyes.
Ma, you want me to push?
Plus, if I see them in my sight.
Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, okay.
That stand right there,
Yeah.
but this stuff ain't
Okay, boo-boo. Come on, wait. You okay? This girl do not be playing.
because you will pour out water.
Oh, so you don't be hot. Mm-hmm. So you sitting under here?
Yep.
Where?
So y'all can go down that way.
No, it's easier. It's right there.
It's easier over there.
Yeah.
You think
Yeah, it's right there. Yes. Ooh, it blows out. It blows out a mist all under here. So why wouldn't you want to be on?
How do you get to the beach again?
You ready, boo-boo?
Do you have to like jump over here?
I know. We're gonna go over there.
Look at the seagulls. They're on this side, so they won't really bother you.
Yeah, let them stay over there.
Oh. I just saw
You
a
ready?
dragonfly.
Are you taking off your shorts? Take off your shorts. Oh, they're having like a little field day. That's cute.
Because I don't want our stuff to
The sand's not that hot neither.
No. Thank you, Mommy.
Oh yeah, at the beach. Royce is building. Now something bit me, Royce. I don't know, but it itched. It is, boo-boo. You know, I like the water because water and the sun, it always makes me feel closer to God. And it just brings a sense of relief and peace and, you know. Yeah. Look at my baby. Ooh, you see what I told? So you gotta back up, Royal. Oh no, look, it stayed. Poo-poo, it stayed. Oh, is it cold, Royalty?
Yes.
Yeah. So. Cold. And a part of me really wanted to come to the beach because I feel like I need to feel God's presence in a sense. So I'm at the right place. Some people would prefer the church building, which is nothing wrong with that. But I prefer the water. I prefer nature. And yeah. My mother's up at the gazebo because she was not coming down. One thing for sure I need to invest in is some beach chairs. And I'm not talking about the little cheap ones that Target be selling for $12 or $20. I need to invest in like good chairs, solid, that can hold my heavies. So at least you know you can sit down and relax. But so you can just feel your feet slip into the sand, sinking.
POV.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. In this cold, she isn't close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we wish I could feel me, you the apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too foreign. But when you see just someone new, they see us too.
So, you know, I'm just sitting here and just, you know, it was a very, very hard week for me this week. Just, you know, dealing with some things that are going on and happening in my life. And like I told y'all before, coming to the beach and being just around water and just nature and just talking to God and I want to leave here with a different mindset. And maybe for other people, you know, you guys come to the beach just for fun and stuff like that. And to tan, of course, and things of that sort. But it's a bigger picture for me coming to the beach. Because it's where I feel most connected. And I do feel a sense of comfort. It's hard to explain. I guess if you know, you know. And we always, just as people, as women, as wives, as moms. Ooh, sorry, y'all. It always tends to be. Hi, boo boo. We always tend to question and doubt a lot of different things, and I'm just trying to figure it out. No matter how much I come on here and I could be well put together and the videos are fun and the content is great, I'm just a woman trying to hold it all together and figure it out like everybody else. And what I know to be true, no matter what, that no matter what I go through, I know that God has me, and He always has. He always has. He's always been here. He's never left. And yeah. So if you are somebody who is going through something, you need to find that place. You have to find that place. You know, God will meet you anywhere. It doesn't matter where it's at. But wherever you feel connected to Him the most at, you need to find that place. Because if not, we would lose our minds. We would lose our minds. We would lose our minds. And although, you know, people may not deal with us the way we deserve, and people may not take care of us the way we deserve, or take care of our hearts and things of that sort, God is always right there with His hands open. And yeah, so I just tell you, find that place where you feel most connected to the Father. Go to Him for your strength. Go to Him for your strength. Go to Him to restore you. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at this, what you call it? Royalty, you okay? Go to Him to refill you. It's not the liquor, it's not the weed, it's not the sex, it's not none of those things that are gonna refill you. And I'm not trying to be all like religious or anything of that sort. I'm just speaking truth. And those things don't refill you, because in the morning you wake up and you still feel empty, or you still feeling what you're feeling. But when God refills you, joy comes in the morning. It is true. It's true. So I know this too shall pass. And when I leave the beach, I'm leaving everything that I'm carrying right here with God, and leave Him to handle it. I just want to continue to be a better me. No matter what the outcome is of certain situations and things going on around me or going on to me, I'm leaving it right here and giving it to God, because it's not for me to carry. It's for Him to carry. My worries and all of those things. So I guess it's a form of healing too, right? Being at the beach. But alright, love you guys. Back in the house. We've been back for hours now. I took that wig off my head. Ma, you had cake and left it here? Of course. Then she would say it's me. So y'all remember last night in the last vlog, I was seasoning some chicken because I'm making chicken Alfredo. Right? Ooh. It smells so good. I know it's gonna be good. It's gonna be bussin', bussin', bussin'. I don't know why my mother likes her blinds down. I don't understand. She has beautiful windows and she wants these blinds down. Who put these fishes here? You, Mom?
Hey, I was about to take that. So nice. Please.
Yeah, so we're gonna be using, I never used this before, but it's Armando Farvel bow tie noodles. That's what we're gonna be using. Okay, we're gonna go in with some olive oil. Oh, whatever's left. Oh. A little bit. You can already smell it. Let that cook up, that meat simmer and cook up. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so we gotta let that simmer for a while. I'm gonna pour a little oil in the pot that the noodles gotta go into. And that is just so noodles don't stick. So when it's, I don't know when it's time to put the noodles in there. It's not time yet. I gotta show y'all the shoes that the Uggs my mother got. They cute. Look at the Uggs. These are cute though. Not gonna lie, that girl ready for the fall. Okay. Okay, can't be mad at that. So the beach was so, oh, I loved it. When I was sitting there, I loved it. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. I felt connected to God. I felt his presence. It was relaxing. My baby was enjoying herself. My mother was under the gazebo. Cause she said if she sit down in the what do you call it, in the snow, she won't be able to get up. I mean in the sand. It wasn't crowded, so there was no overstimulation like normally. Yeah, it was good. Now tomorrow we are going home. My husband did call and he was like, where is his child? It has been days. So I gotta bring the pitney back. Look at that bubbling. Right.
When y'all go on YouTube, go to guest.
You know, this is how you know, like, you've been somewhere too many days. Because every day my mother finds something to complain about. And now she's complaining about, you know, when you click on YouTube, if you have an account or multiple accounts on there. So it's only her account on there. She wants me to click on guest. Don't watch YouTube through her account. Make it make sense, ma. She's not interested in watching any of the things that I watch. So if I watch certain things under her account, then you know how it's in your algorithm. She don't want that. Okay, I'm going home tomorrow. Okay. So this is it. All done. Just waiting for those noodles to do what they do. Alright. They're not done yet. It's done. Listen, who know? No. I make the best. This is my food. What I'm eating. All right, let me take my first bite with y'all. Thank you, Lord, for this food. I don't hear my mother. That is hot sauce.
After answering a series of procedural questions, Judge Margaret Garnett pivoting to the allocution. Sir, I'm going to ask you now to tell me in your own words what you did that makes you believe that you're guilty of these charges. Mangione opting to remain seated, seeming to slouch on the left side of his chair. I learned that United Healthcare will be holding its annual investor conference in New York City on December 4th, 2024, although the specific location was not publicly disclosed. Mangione explaining he did so after becoming frustrated with